Hello again, my name is Diana Chan and I'm a chemistry tutor at the Natural Social Science Lab at Miami-Dade Kendall campus. And I'm going to go over our first example. In this first example, we are going to find the average atomic mass for a given element given the percent abundages and the atomic masses. So let's just dive right in. Here's example 1. Given the following information, find the average atomic mass for carbon. We're given the isotope carbon-11 and carbon-13 with percent abundance of 50% and 50% and atomic masses of 11 and 13.02 respectively. Given the formula from Module 5, we see that the average atomic weight equals the percentage of isotope 1, times the atomic weight of isotope 1, plus the percentage of isotope 2 times the atomic weight of isotope 2. We see that we have 4 out of the 5 variables of which I need to solve the equation. So I'm just going to kind of write out the givens for you again. So I've written out the percentages for you, and F1 equals 50% or 0.5 or 50 over 100, and the same is for F2. And as a general tip, I'm going to use the decimal form, but I highly suggest that you use the decimal or fraction form when plugging into these formulas, just to make sure that you don't plug in 50 instead of the decimal or fraction form and get an answer 2 decimal places off if you forget to change it later. I'm just going to write down the other givens. Atomic weight equals 11 and atomic weight 2 equals 13.02. Now I'm just going to plug these numbers into our equation up there. And here I've plugged them in, just plugging and chugging, substituting in. I'm going to distribute the 50%, and I've simplified it to atomic weight average equals 5.5 plus 6.51. And doing simple addition, we see that our atomic weight average for carbon equals 12.01. Notice that this number is similar to what you would see on a periodic table. As you can see, carbon's atomic weight was 12.0107. You might think, wow, maybe I don't need to know how to solve these types of problems. But most likely, your teacher has also picked up on the fact that you could just guess the answer by looking at your periodic table. To tackle this, your teacher may create a different type of problem to stifle you, one in which the element isn't given on the periodic table. So in our next example, example 2, I will try and walk you through one of those problems where a fictional element is given to you. So I will see you in the next example, in example 2.